Hello, welcome back to Mom's Kitchen Diary. If you're new here, warm welcome. Feel free to interact on the comment section. If you're back for another delicacy, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I decided to try this new saucy, the beef flavored one. Since I've seen most of people are preparing, so I decided let's prepare it today. So this food turned out so well. It was very delicious. I'll urge you to try it. So this is how it's look. I'm using 160 grams and the packaging is really beautiful. As you know, saucy has a lot of benefit. It has protein, omega-3, iron, and it is cholesterol free. At the back you'll find how to prepare it. So at first you'll add your sauce in a bowl and then you're going to hydrate the chunks for around 10 minutes. So in a medium heat, you are going to add some oil in a pan and then you are going to add your chunks and you fry them on high heat for around 1 minute. Then add your bell peppers and tomato paste and then cook for another 1 minute. So at this point add your blended tomato, beef seasoning cube and salt if needed, and then you're going to cover, let it cook for around 2 minutes. forget to like, comment, share this video with the rest of your families, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload another video. So lastly, you will garnish with any herb of your choice and then serve with any accompaniment of your choice. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.